Okay, guys, so this is TubePal. It's a very, very simple dashboard we've got in here. Like Tom mentioned, it's been only, I think I started on the 5th of April on YouTube. It was in my head for the longest time ever, and I was like, I want to get it done and do it. And I have connected it to TubePal. You see here channel statistics. That's a new channel. For a new channel to get 1,319 views with 6 videos, 42 subscribers within like 10 days. That's unheard of because YouTube is a platform that it's been built for so long. So algorithms have changed. They want to see that your content is solid. Your keywords are optimized. You need time to optimize your whole channel so that they can take you seriously, right? And to get those results, I was actually shocked. Like, this is just 10 days of me working on it. Imagine like in a year, right? Gonna be crazy. So here I connected, you got the social accounts. That's where you connect your actual channel. This is me, Firas Alami. You can actually go YouTube it and you'll find the channel, right? And then we've got the automation tools here. We've got the channel manager. Okay, so one of the main reasons for YouTube to actually take you as an optimized channel, and that doesn't happen overnight. Okay, TubePal is like your pal. Okay, it's there to help you on different factors to get your YouTube channel recognized by YouTube. Once that's optimized, it means your YouTube channel have hit 4,000 hours of watch. And that's when YouTube prefer you and rank you over anybody else, right? And you can generate money as well for views once you're optimized, and that all of that helps you with that. So here you can automate the likes and comments. You got to do that because they want to see interaction with the audience. So if someone asks a question, you need someone to reply. Okay, so you create a campaign for. It's very straightforward. I see a lot of people were asking me in the chat box. Okay, is it hard? I don't want to go through the tutorials for so long. It's very easy. You just create the campaign. You pick the channel. So this is for Salami right here. Auto comment. Okay, so basically I'll show you here. You create a template. The template's right here. Targeted keywords. 5 daily max and an expiry date. That's it. And you set it up. Create campaign. Same goes for. Let's go back to the channel manager. Okay, same goes for the subscription campaign so that people subscribe. Okay, the video manager, it's all, click, 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 easy. Okay, here you search, those are the videos. You pick them, you pick one of the videos, and then, say you want to see the channel analytics, right? Which I did open it here. So you see here, when I started, so I started activity. So it was me, that view was me, right? 3rd of April. And then on the 5th, I actually posted the first video. Obviously, it's a new channel, so it's a nobody to YouTube. And then you can see here, went up on the 7th to 156 views. And then 212 views, and it kept going. Like you see that diagram, it kept going until today. Today is the 17th. Yeah, so there was no activity because I barely posted, and I was doing 2 videos per week. So that came up to actually 6 videos. I did 3 videos per week, which I'm gonna take down to 2 per week. Okay, which is better. Okay, it tells you everything, estimated minutes watched, average view duration. All the statistics are right here. Unsubscribers, likes, dislikes, video added versus removed, comments, shares. All the statistics are right here. Mobile, it shows you everything, absolutely everything. Okay, and these data are important. They get me excited, to be honest. I like to see how people are watching my videos, how long they're staying on, because the more they stay on, and it's recommended for you to create a video that is not less than 10 minutes, because YouTube prefers audiences to stay on the platform. They don't want people, your audience, to come in for 2 minutes and leave the YouTube platform. They want people to stay on the platform. So the more you can get your customers to stay watching, or your audience to stay watching your videos, the more that's kind of a signal for YouTube to, optimize you, right? And give you kind of a, for you to be preferred over your competitors. Okay, let's go back here, channel manager. And then you've got the playlist manager. It's very important, guys, to create a playlist. Okay. I find that at the beginning when I started, and that's only in 10 days, it's because I'm connected to a lot of people, a lot of marketers that have been doing YouTube, and I've asked a lot of questions as well. And that's where, we implemented a lot of stuff as well into TubePal. Playlists are very important because once you put a related video, so say you have a video and then you place another video, when you got related videos, it gets your audience to watch the first one and switch to the second one, right? And like I said, the more you stay on YouTube, the more YouTube likes your channel, and that will help you in optimizing the channel with time. Okay, and here you can upload a video from within TubePal into the channel. Now we have here the template manager. Here it gives you an auto reply template. So remember, right in the channel manager, when I said the reply, it asked me for a template. So here you create the actual template and then you use it in the channel manager. Same with the auto comment as well. You create the template right here and then you can use it in the channel manager and automate it right there. Okay. Then we've got the search tools. Here you can search for videos, channels, and playlists based on keywords. So say, I want to search by a bar in New York, for example. Okay. Relevance. I want it. Relevance. Search, so this is something you need to kind of check on what people are doing within your niche and why their videos are rocking. So like if we look at all of these, let me plan your NYC vacation. This one got 4.9K likes, but look at that one, right? Obviously these guys are doing something. And if you look at the length, here it's 8 minutes, here it's 49 minutes. So obviously they created something long enough for people to watch and share. And once they're shared, these people are getting organic audiences coming into that video. So you can spy on this video, right? You can go to YouTube and spy on the video and see how the description is placed, how everything is placed, and kind of mimic it in your own way. Never copy, but always understand what other people are doing and why they're ranking, why they're getting the engagement and not someone else, right? It's a basic understanding. And then you've got the channel. You can search channels right here. Okay. Here the playlist. You can search for playlists. Any channel like Backlinko, for example. This dude is he's very targeted regards to SEO, right? So if you go on YouTube and you put Backlinko, there's a lot of, and you have, look at that. Okay. And his whole playlist comes in. So these videos that show on here are on a playlist that he mapped together, correct? You can see all of them, see how he related all of them from the first video up to the second, third, fourth, etc. Gives you an insight as well. Video tag finder. So say, I don't know, plumber in Seattle. One sec. Let's see, bar New York, whatever. Couldn't find. Okay. So YouTube keyword finder. 1 second. I have to probably go to YouTube and place the ID actually. Okay, so whatever, say this one here. We go back, we place the ID right here. Okay, you see that? So you grab the ID of the actual video. You want to check all their tags, right? What they used to their tags, and look at that. So this is a marketer actually that did a review video for TubePal, and I can check what he used in the whole YouTube video that he created, the review he created. I can go map them out and use them. So I see someone in the chat that was telling me, I wanted to get into affiliate marketing and all of that. Well, that will help you, right? When you get into creating your own YouTube channel and YouTube videos and YouTube reviews. You can spy on different marketers and what they're using when they're doing their reviews, especially the ones that are ranking in the top 5, right? What are the tags? And you can use some of them, with your own creativity as well, right? But that is a very important one. Tags have to be in the descriptions, tags have to be in the title. Don't use too much. You have to place them in the middle, and like 3 of them in the title. That's it. So you can rank for them and not to confuse YouTube. Okay. And then you've got the reporting section right here, which is the auto reply. It tells you everything, within the campaigns you created. Everything will show here. The rank tracking is all in here. Okay. So say you placed, I created campaign, TV boss, the keyword is TV boss, for example, video ID, date added, I added that today, and then it will show me here everything with time. The link wheel is one of the most important things, and something I do not, based on the experience I had, there's a lot of people that go to Fiverr and buy links, backlinks for Web 2.0 to link them to YouTube, and thinking that if they do, that will get their videos to grab views, right? That will hurt you, because most Fiverr guys, unless they're charging over $500, which Tom is going to mention soon in the webinar, most Fiverr guys that are charging $20 and $30 and telling you, I'm going to create you like 500 backlinks to your YouTube video, it will really hurt you, because most of those websites have a high spam score. They're basically just used to give you that service to bullshit you. I'm sorry with the term. And then they'll make quick money, $20-$30. You'll put them a good review because they showed you an Excel file linking all these websites to your video. You're going to be happy, but then you're going to find out that your views are going down with time, and that will, it's better to go and create a new YouTube channel if you do that, because you're not going to be able to fix it. It's hard to fix. Okay. Now that's the part with TubePal. It's very straightforward. Everything is right here. You set them up once. Okay. Every time you have a video, you set them up, and that's it. And it runs. Now we've got something else with that. Okay. Because we want you, obviously, Tom was mentioning there's a thumbnail creator as well with TubePal, right? Now, if you want to win on YouTube, you need obviously stock images, stock videos. You need soundtracks. You need all of that. So we've got in our second company with TubePal, okay, exclusively for this, Prime Stocks, which will give you a load of over 5 million HD images, animated GIFs, HD videos, icons, illustrations, stickers, stock images, motion backgrounds, PowerPoint templates, green screen videos, animation characters, sounds, high quality sounds, 4K, Ultra HD videos, and a reseller. You can actually resell up to 100 licenses of Prime Stocks. Now, when we go back to this, I was discussing the link wheel, right? We created for you a way so that you don't go to Fiverr and buy any links from anybody, okay? And if you go and see the big sellers for backlinks on Fiverr that actually do the right job, they charge between $500 to $2,500. Now, with TubePal, not only you can, work on your YouTube channel, you can use and create campaigns for your own customers and link build for them. It's all done for you here. You can grab into it up to 1,000 orders a day and just get them in here, and TubePal will do it for you, for your customers, and then you deliver it and you make money off it on Fiverr. But I'm going to leave that to Tom and join you back at the end of the webinar.